What's up, y'all? Welcome to Legend Talk. I'm your host, Legend Becker. Let's talk about how the Ford Model T changed the Industrial Revolution forever. Henry Ford did not invent the assembly line, but introduced it to the new world as he set production on the Ford Model T. When Henry Ford introduced the assembly line in 1913, the Model T was already being built and now in high capacity. Henry Ford started his own revolution by doubling wages and introducing the 8-hour workday. The first production Model T was produced on August 12, 1908 and left the factory on September 27, 1908 from Detroit, Michigan. The Model T was the first automobile mass-produced on a moving assembly line with complete interchangeable parts on October 7, 1913. Henry Ford made the Model T available to middle class at a low price. By doing this, Henry Ford revolutionized the world and changed the automobile industry forever. By the end of World War I, the American Industrial Revolution had utterly transformed the nation. Growth fueled development. By 1916, there would be more than 230,000 miles of roads in the U.S. Today, there is over 4 million miles. How did you get home from school today? Just thank Henry and his impressive introduction of the assembly line and the Model T. Thank you so much for watching Talking with Legend. I'll see you in the next one.